Hello friends, welcome to whmd webhostingmydomain.com. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your business email address in our hosting panel. Okay, so you have to log in into your cPanel. Before that, you have to log in into your client area of whmd. Like I am here in whmd client area. Just click on login to cPanel and it will redirect you to the cPanel, right? Here you will search for email accounts. So this is the first option. You have to select this, and here you will create your business email address. So let me create one for you. You have to create, click on the button create, and here you can write whatever support or whatever the name or business email you want to make, like support at the rate dishantu.com is the domain, whatever you domain purchase, and it will attach with this one. Okay. Here you can make your own password and you can also generate password. So I'm right on generating password. And then you have to just click on create. And this will create the email, business email in the cPanel, right? And how you can log in this? You can log in this by clicking on check email. Right. Here you can log in into your webmail, round-tube interface. So just click on open. This will open your webmail. So I'm in the support at the rate zishantu.com. Right here you can click on compose and it will allow you to email to other person like info at the rate webhostingmydomain.com. Right? Sorry. Here you can write the subject line. Here you will write your email body and just click on send. And this will send the email to that respective email address. This is how our webmail works. So if you have any question, you can comment below and we will answer you. So thank you for watching this video and we will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.